Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Fernando Dichimo. I am 36 years old. I am married. I have four kids. My son is 6 years old, 5 years old, and 2 years old. And my only one daughter is 4 years old. My highest educational attainment, I finished the vocational course as a nursing attendant. My hobbies is cooking and cleaning. I work as a domestic helper in state of Kuwait in 2 years and 8 months, from October 2012 to June 2015. I served one couple and four children, ages 18 years old, 16 years old, 14 years old, and 4 years old. My duties are cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing, and car washing. I want to work in Hong Kong because of good salaries, friendly people, and also I have families. I'm willing to take good care of newborn babies and toddlers. I can sing a song. The wheel and the bus go round and round, round and round. To my future employer, please choose me as a daily housewife because I am flexible, honest, with high work ethics, and a hardworking person. I can able to handle housekeeping ability, taking good care of toddlers and elderly and also any kinds of kids. If you choose me, I promise to serve my best by giving this opportunity. I will not let you down. I will work hard and satisfy your needs. I'll be kind, respectful, and patient to the young and elders in Hong Kong. I will do my duties heartedly and according to the Hong Kong traditions and cultures. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.